Hi, my name is Clara Bubenzer. I'm a culinary consultant for Gourmet, and today I'm at the Gourmet Egypt factory where we make all of your favorite products in this environment. Come, let me show you. Here we are in the Oriental kitchen of Gourmet, where we make mashi, mumbar, wara aynab, and things like shawarma, chicken and beef. Come and have a look at how beautifully our ladies hand roll all of those items. Hand rolling, little hand rolls. In the Oriental kitchen here at Gourmet, we hand roll all the wara aynab and cabbage leaves for you, so you don't have to do it at home, but it tastes like you've just made it at home. Mumbar is a traditional Egyptian favorite, and here at Gourmet we make it only with the highest quality ingredients. And that's that from the Oriental kitchen here at Gourmet. Make sure to check out the freezer section in our stores and you will find all of your favorite products all year round.